I'm happy to see you for circle time today. We're going to start with our hello song. Hello, hello, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Hello, hello, what's your name? My name is... Awesome. Now we can sing our days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Okay, let's do our months dance. January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November and December, 12 months of the year. Woo, woo! Okay, friends, we have a lot of days to count today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and today is 20. Today is Monday, April 20th. Awesome job, friends. Circle time is all done, all done, all done. Circle time is all done, and now it's time for play.